A. How are you today?
I'm very well, thanks.
I'm fine, thanks.
I don't feel very well. I must go home and rest. I'll probably be okay tomorrow.
I feel ill. Can you get a doctor, please? Perhaps it's a serious problem.
That fish was bad. I think I'm going to be sick. I want to vomit.
B. Everyday problems.
Have you got an aspirin? I've got a headache.
I've got toothache. I need to go to the dentist.
I'm going to bed with a hot drink. I've got a cold.
C. Problems people have for many years or all their lives.
I get hay fever every summer from flowers and grass. I sneeze all day. My little brother has asthma. Sometimes he can't breathe.
D. Illnesses in hot or tropical countries.
Mosquito. In some countries, mosquitoes can give people malaria. The drinking water was bad and many children had cholera.
E. Serious illnesses.
Every year, cancer kills many people who smoke. My father went to hospital when he had a heart attack.
F. Expressions.
Do you have a healthy diet?
Yes, I eat lots of fruit and vegetables.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I like swimming, jogging and cycling. They're really good for you.
I feel stressed.
Do you? You need to relax more and don't panic about work.